traditional ICE cars, I call it Americano. Then I think it's a BEV car, I call it milk. But Japanese, I call it latte. But once talk about our Chinese half, it's cappuccino. So what it means is cappuccino. 75% of a cappuccino is made by milk. The electrification for this half car are different. Once you drive in a car, also give you totally different experience of that. That's what we are doing for particular global markets. Because half don't have a particular market for China. People in China either buy BEV or PHEVs. But we, in particular, develop a half for this market. That's why our DNA is called a GLOCAL. Global, but local. We definitely need to have a global thinking, but we need to add the local. We need to listen to the local customer. We need to listen to the local partners, what they need.
Every AMG is not just a car, but a trusted friend. In 3 years, we will launch 17 new models, 7 SUVs, 7 cars, 1 MPV, and 2 pickups. From A segment, B segment, to even full size, all meet your needs.
The MG was born to become pure joy. The cars are actually bringing the people together. As we said, they're like connection. They're like bridge to different kind of customer, different kind of people. One is showing elegance, one robust. One is showing emotion and the function. But all this combined together comes to one powerful story to MG. If you see the MG, as we said, we're integrating the brand.